All right, let's look at how do you zoom in and out on the graph and move the graph around to change the window. So I'm going to click Use Calculator and I'm going to select the Graph and Calculator option. In this example, we're going to look at the equation negative 2x plus 100. So I'm going to type in a negative 2, scroll over to get our variable x in there, and now let's tap in plus 100. So notice if you look at our screen, we don't see the equation at all. Well, that's because our y-intercept here is 0, 100. And notice our window right now is only going up to positive 5. So we can click the keyboard. That shows us, okay, that's what we graphed, that's what we have typed in. And then swipe down to see the graph on the full screen. But I'm going to need to actually zoom out here. So I'm going to pinch my screen until I see the graph. And there you can see it's going through at 0, 100. Notice by pinching the screen that changed the window, and I can also move right and left if needed. Let's say I want to trace along this. Click this left arrow in the upper right corner there, and you can select Trace. Trace is the very first one. Notice now if I drag my finger along the line, it will trace to give us each of the values. Say I wanted to move right and left now. Notice since we're in trace mode right now, you actually can't move right or left or up or down by tapping the screen. You would have to simply uncheck the trace, and now I can move my graph around more, and I can zoom in and zoom out as needed. So that's how you can use the zooming features to change your window on your graph.